In this video, I will show you how to make a smooth image slide in After Effects. So all you need to do basically in Adobe After Effects, the smoothest way to make an image slide is basically by animating the position with adding some keyframes. So all you need to do first of all, just go and add the new composition. Once you add your new composition, you would like to go and import all the images that you want to add as an example to make your image slide. You can start by one just to check how the thing will work. Of course, then you will have to open the position property. You can go and press on your keyboard P. Go to the timeline, add your image, and you can press on P and it will add some position property option. So we would like to add some keyframes. Basically, you can create the starting position, move the playhead as example to where the animation should start, and click the stopwatch next to the position. It will create your first keyframe. Then you would like to move the image off screen, drag the image as example left, right, top, bottom, depending on where you want to slide it from. And then you'll have to create an ending position. Just move the playhead forward, an example like 10 to 20 frames, then move the image to its final position. And After Effects basically automatically will create a second keyframe. Then you would like, of course, to go to the time graph. Go to this graph, right click, and click on edit the speed of the graph. Make sure the graph will look something like that. So basically the slides will look smooth in your end. Of course, for you, if you want, you can adjust the speed however you want, but this graph here exactly makes it looks very smooth and good. So once you're done with that, you can just go and play and you will see that you successfully made your image slide in Adobe After Effects. So I hope this video helps you. Thank you for watching and goodbye.